Find a relatively dark area. I've chosen some shadows under a large tree. Pop the camera on a tripod and set the camera to M for manual. Then please select these approximate settings on your camera. Can you put the aperture on 8 f8, the shutter speed on 320, 3/20th of a second, and most importantly, put the ISO on 100. Run a quick test shot. You should have a relatively dark image. If you don't, find a dark space and then try the process again. Now, don't touch the shutter speed or aperture for now. We will come to these functions at later stages of the course. Feel free to take a photo. You'll see a dark and not very interesting image. Now change the ISO to 200. You will see that the image is slightly brighter. Now change it to 400. Now onto 800. You're starting to get a much brighter picture. Now 1600. Now 3200. And lastly 6400. With each increment, you'll have noticed each photo is a lot brighter. This is because the sensor has become more sensitive. If you zoom into the images, you'll notice the quality slowly decrease. There will be increasing levels of artifacts and noise. These can look like messy, splodgy, coloured dots on the image. So the key thing we have learnt here is changing the ISO does two things. It increases the sensitivity to the sensor and affects the final quality of the image. I suggest you practice using this feature a couple of times so you get used to finding the buttons on your camera and fundamentally understand why you chose these settings.